Hi friends, this is Nageshwar. Welcome to my channel ITBot143. In this tutorial, I will show you how to add the text into the slides created in Microsoft Office PowerPoint 2007. Open PowerPoint 2007. We will get the default slide with a layout having title box and subtitle box. To add the text, simply click in the title or subtitle box and start typing. If you want to add text other than the English, come to font and select the font language suitable for you, but make sure that we have that font in the font library. Here it is showing the default theme fonts and start typing. Each default theme offers specific font size, font styles and font color. After that, click on new slide to add the slide and follow the same. In the subtitle box, we will get bullets automatically. If you want to remove the bullets, press backspace once and continue typing without bullet. Again, if we click on the new slide, it will create a slide with the layout same as the previous slide. So always select the slide layout by pressing the arrow next to new slide depending on the text we are entering. Here I want to change the layout to section header. Again, start typing. Again, if you want to change the default existing layout, come to layout option and here select the layout style. And here it is showing the title on the top. First we need to complete adding the content and later it is better to format the text. If we are entering only text, we can also do it in outline mode. Here we can add the text and automatically text will be placed into the slide. And if you want to add the content in the previous slide, click on increase list level and we can enter the text. If you want to add a new slide in outline mode for the text we have entered, click anywhere on the text, press shift and hit the tab. Then it will become the title for the new slide. Again, we can continue the typing. We can also do this using increase indent and decrease indent. Let's click on increase indent and it will become as the list. Again, if you want to convert the list into the new slide, click on decrease indent level. Select the text, click on decrease indent level. Again, to bring it into list form, click on increase indent level. And if you want to delete the text, use backspace or select the text and press delete from your keyboard. Like this, we can add the text into the slides created in Microsoft Office PowerPoint 2007. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please click on like button and please share this video with your friends. And please visit my channel ITBot143 to watch more latest uploaded videos. And don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you friends. Have a nice day.